Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting your girl. If you're a new subscriber, welcome and welcome to the family. And also, if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Happy New Year. I feel like it's a long time because most of my videos of late have been voiceovers, but I'm now back. I'll try as much. Someone commented and said I should be doing a lot while talking more than voiceovers, and I'm working on that. This is a new year. So guys, how are you guys? I hope you're doing well. What are your goals? One of them is changing my eating habit. I've been having bad eating habits. Like I eat breakfast around 2. By the time it's 6, it's when I'm eating lunch, and then when it's supper time, I don't have appetite because nishashiba. So I find it an awkward habit that I've just formed, and I'm trying to let go in this new year. What are your resolutions, guys? You can tell me in the comment section below. I'm also trying not to do a lot of experiments on my hair. If you guys have watched my previous videos for last year, I cut short my hair. It's around 1 month old, and hey, the urge of experimenting things with my hair, oh my goodness, it's too much. Because that's the reason why I cut my hair, because experimenting too much things on my hair did a lot of damage, and now I had to start square one. But I'm liking it because, honestly speaking, the last time I had short hair was when I was in high school, around Form 2. I had short hair, and when I look back, my pictures back then, I looked so awkward. So this time while shaving, I was like, oh my goodness, let me not look bad with short hair. But you know, God answered my prayer. I like how it turned out. But now the problem is, you guys, I thought cutting my hair will make work easier. Hey, you just have to comb your hair. Like, now, whether you have long hair or short hair, you'll have to maintain it. I thought maintaining short hair was less stressful, but it's not. I feel like my phone is not doing justice to how I look. Anyway, I'll go outside. I think probably it's the lighting. I'll go outside so that you guys can see my makeup, Anyway, onto the other thing. This year I want to try as much as possible and do skincare routines, because hey, if you've ever had a skincare routine, you know how much hard it is to maintain a skincare routine every morning, every evening. Sometimes you're tired, sometimes you don't have psych, but you just have to push yourself. And you guys, currently I'm under a certain skincare routine, and I think it's good. I'm so sure. I know that it's good for all skin types. So stay tuned. I'll be sharing some of my skincare tips. So kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified. Yes! Now the lighting is doing justice to my makeup. That's how my makeup is looking, you guys. Hey! Na imagine nimepaka makeup kukaa kwa nyumba. But anyway, I don't regret it. I think I'll be doing this more often because it's not a must to put on makeup to go somewhere else. But let's try and utilize it by doing a lot of videos and pictures. Let's hope I'll do that. Hi guys, I hope you guys are not hearing the background sound. Anyway, on the day I went to do my nails, I went to Dubois and bought a few. It's a mini haul, a few little things over here, and one of it was this bag. It's just a cute little bag for storing makeup. Like, you can just organize yourself. It's just pretty, and I think I bought it at around 300 or 400 or whatever, I can't remember, but around there. But just see, 3 in 1, and it's so pretty. The future is mine, with a nice message over there. The other thing I bought, let me place it there. The other thing I bought was these two hair bands, and it's way cheaper buying them in wholesale. Like wholesale price starts from 3, and I find it way economical buying them at the wholesale price rather than buying it at 1 in 3 pretty colors that are kasi na nywele, but I'll be using them. Yeah, and we have the bathing tool, as it is written over there. Anyway, the bathing scrubber, that thing it really helps a lot. And what do we have? I bought this. Sorry guys, my video had a problem with lighting. I don't know what's up. It's changing its color. Anyway, as I was saying, I had bought this and this. I had placed this inside here. I was someone's secret Santa, but unfortunately I didn't get to gift them, and I bought these two. I'm never a fan of long earrings, but since nimenyoa and I hear ukishave you look good with long earrings, so this is what I'll be rocking. And what else? I bought these 2 hair clips, and it's always good, but it's always good buying things in wholesale price. You'll get them at a cheaper price. So I bought these 2 pretty hairpins. I know I don't have hair, but I have a wig, so I can style my wig using this little pretty pins. Yep. Aside from that, you guys, what do you think about my makeup? Doesn't it look so awesome? Doesn't it look so lovely? And this video is unfiltered, like it has no filters. You guys, kindly go and book me for all your makeup events at Makeup by Disney in Instagram and Facebook. Yeah, I'm 1 call away. Please support your girl. Guys, I've also sampled a couple of my weekly vlogs, so you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And guys, you'll be seeing more of me. Give me psych by watching my content. I am so grateful for you guys. You guys have subscribed to my channel. We are almost reaching 4K, but you guys are now watching my content. Kindly watch my content, and you'll be seeing more of this. I know I have not been talking a lot in my videos, and this year, you just wait. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah. So guys, here I got a makeup client. They booked as early as 5, so I had to wake up early and go by Uber. And here she is. She was very tired, very sleepy because of an event, but you see, ta-da, my magic hands. Anyway guys, if you ever need makeup, just holler at your girl at Makeup by Disney 254. I am here for all your makeup needs. She wanted something simple, something subtle, not too shouting, and that's what I gave her. Here is my other client. She also wanted a subtle, simple look, and that's what I delivered. On to self-care. So my nails were so bad. I had stayed with them they served me for 1.5 months, which I'm glad they stayed for that long. So it was time to remove them and do cute nails.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
So guys, the place where I normally do my nails, it normally takes 1 to 3 hours in order for you to get attended, but actually it's like that because most people go to that place and it's very affordable. So meanwhile, while I was waiting in queue, I decided to go and grab myself boiled eggs and kachumbari with pilipili for bari because I had craved for it. Then headed back to the parlor. This is the final look. I wanted something simple and I loved it. Then went to this butchery that's opposite Naivas. It's always packed, but it has one of the best meat. Like nyama yao is always fresh and tender, so that's my spot for buying meat in town. This was another day where we went out for Mutura with my friends. This is always our favorite joint. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.